We broke through gray skies, chased shadows away. We laughed so wild, burning bright each day. Dancing summer's breath, felt the cool night skin. Hearts beating fierce in the world we're in. We're chasing the sun, running so far, shining so fast, we're never apart. Found strength in starlight, rhythm in our veins. Dreams became real, breaking all chains. Lived for the moment, fear nothing at all. Built our wild dreams, no way we fall. We're chasing the sun, running so far, shining so fast, we're never apart. We're chasing the sun, we're chasing the sun, we're chasing the sun, we're chasing the sun. Found strength in starlight, rhythm in our veins. Dreams became real, breaking all chains. Live for the moment, fear nothing at all. Built our wild dreams, no way we fall. We're chasing the sun, running so far, shining so fast, we're never apart. We're chasing the sun, we're chasing the sun, we're chasing the sun, we're chasing the sun. Woke up in the morning, sky looked gray. Got no plans, just gonna fade away. Coffee's cold, the toast is burned. Life's on pause, lessons unlearned. Check my phone, not a single text. Guess I'm free from the world's complex. Dishes in the sink like a mountain high. Laundry's piled, can't even try. Today is the day of zilch, my friend. No deadlines, no rules to bend. Just me, myself, and a couch to crash. In a world where nothing's rash. Walked outside, shoes untied. No thoughts, no cares, no need to hide. Neighbors wait but don't say a word. In silence loud, I am undeterred.